Welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something very interesting with my series on where I style one garment into multiple ways. I've done the white shirt 21 ways, I've done the black shirt I think 11 or 15 ways, and I've done the silver coin necklace just last week, 11 ways on how to style a silver coin necklace. I'm linking all these videos here, but today I'll be styling one sari 3 ways. Hi, my name is Jainee. I'm an image consultant, a style curator and a sustainable style advocate. On this channel, we talk about real, relatable, wearable styling ideas, something that you can utilize in your day-to-day life. Now today's sari video is special. I don't call myself an expert in sari draping, but I have figured this 3 to 5 drapes which I can wear continuously with different kind of saris. I don't like doing traditional drapes unless it's Diwali and I'm wearing like an extremely traditional silk sari. Besides that, if the garment is fluid, if the sari is fluid, the fabric is fun, I like to do these fun drapes to create new looks out of the same sari. I kid you not, my whole sari cabinet will be 5 to 7 saris only, and the rest that you see on Instagram are borrowed from friends if I want to wear it just for a day. But the saris that I own, I make sure that I wear multiple ways. So today I'm not just sharing the styled saris, I'm actually teaching you these 3 simple easy drapes. Now before we begin, the fabric of the sari is extremely important. So for today's learning, I have taken this polyester sari. These are regular saris that you will find in your mom's or your aunt's wardrobe cabinet. These are your regular day-to-day wear saris that a lot of women in India wear, but we are going to style them stylishly today. Now as you can see, the flow of the sari is so much fun that no matter what I do with this, it will take that shape the way I drape it. With this drape, I'm going to do a half sari, which means that my denim will be visible. We need a fancy fluid. We need a simple fluid sari, 1 black belt and 2 safety pins for this. Now this is a regular 5.5 meter sari. Generally the half sari draping works amazing with a 2.5 meter sari. But if we have a 5.5 meter or a 5 meter sari, I'm not going to cut that up for just one drape. It's an easy way. The first thing is hold the sari from the fall. A fall is put on a sari so that the draping of the sari when you pleat it comes very nice. The fall is always down. So face your fall downwards towards you. And I am going to take the half, one leg out and just put this inside for measurement. Now if you're going to wear heels, then it's always advisable that whenever you drape a sari, always wear your heels and then drape a sari. Okay, now once I have tucked in the half sari, I'm just going to leave my sari here, roll it a little and see how much of a palla I want. Okay, I'm not doing anything, I am just checking how much palla I want. As you can see, this is my comfort level. So this is the palla I want. I'm not pleating, I'm not doing anything. So now this is my length. So basically, the remaining sari is what needs to be pleated. Now whenever you're starting to pleat, you need 2 hands to hold the sari. So your thumb and your first finger is holding the sari and 2 fingers behind, and now you start pleating. So my finger stays here, my thumb moves. Now this finger moves and the thumb stays. Let me see if I can pleat it like this, and I'll pleat it again. If you want to practice pleating, take a cotton dupatta. So I'll be pleating the whole sari, but because it's a fluid sari, the pleating wouldn't affect so much. If it was a cotton or a silk sari, we can't use a cotton or a silk 5 meter sari to do the half draping because it will create so much bulk around your waist. Okay, can you see? In a fluid sari, the drape just falls, you don't have to do too much. So when you're experimenting with these fun drapings, I always prefer these kind of saris. Now the pleats are done. I'm going to take the pleats All pleats are measured well. Take the safety pin. I have a big safety pin because it needs to hold the pleats. So I'm going to take this huge safety pin and put it across the saree. Some sarees are very delicate and safety pins don't work, so you can't use a regular safety pin. You need to buy the saree pins so it won't harm the saree fabric. Okay. Now either you can finish this first or the pleats. I like doing the pleats first because I want to be clear of how much this will hold. So the pleats are done. Can you see? The pleats are not bulked up because the saree is not heavy like a cotton, linen, khadi, polyester, organza or silk. The saree is polyester or a soft silk. That's why you can do this. Now, can you see the remaining fabric? I'm just going to tuck in the remaining fabric without any pleats. You don't have to actually use such a big top. You could use a crop top. I generally like using my t-shirts and my tops, and that's why. You can keep your top outside if you are conscious of your midriff. If you're not conscious, then you can tuck in this and create that whole feel. Okay, I'm just going to keep it out for majority of you are not comfortable showing your stomach. Now I'm going to remove this whole thing and we'll tackle this side. Alright? You can either just take it like a loose palla and put a pin and you're done. But I like folding the palla so that the neatness of the saree is seen because I'm doing like an experimental drape. So I'll take the palla and do bigger pleats. The saree pleat were very small. These will be bigger pleats. For this one, I'm just going to basically divide this whole palla into 3 sections, 3 big pleats. Okay, my 3 pleats are done. I'm going to take this. My fan is on. Another advice, don't let your fans be on while you're draping a saree. Okay, can you see the neatness of the single palla? I will take a pin and put it here. Okay, now can you see this loose part? Okay, this loose part, what you need to do is, you can either pleat this part and put it inside. If not, then you can definitely keep it loose. So it falls like this. It falls like a cowl. Like you have a cowl neck like that. You have this cowl feeling at the saree. Now obviously you can leave it like this, accessorize it and you're good to go. But belts add a different charm to this style. I am taking a simple black belt. I don't want to add any color. I don't want to add any huge deal or styling with it because the drape is very unique. Okay, so after the cowl neck, taking a simple belt. I'm not going to be belting the palla. I'm just going to take the belt, leaving my palla and then belt it. It cinches the waist and adds some curve. Now, irrespective of what your body type, body size is, you can belt a saree. Belting a saree has nothing to do with your midriff. If you have extremely heavy midriff, then take the belt slightly above your stomach. Don't tighten it up. If you tighten that area, your stomach will be visible. So just add a loose. A belt is to add color or a structure. A belt is not for you to hold your pants or skirts or even, it's just there to add color to define a waist. So this is what it is. I hope you can see. It's got like a little bit of leg and the half saree is done. The next one is where we don't require a petticoat, so we're going to drape it without the petticoat. So I have folded my leg. Now I'll take the saree, again keep the fall down so that it holds the saree. Spread your legs, have a superwoman pose, hold your saree, roll it around your waist and we need to tie a knot. Now this is the knot that is going to hold your saree. So we very tight with this knot. You can do a stomach facing, so front facing knot or side facing, it's your comfort level. But the moment you knot your sari, the sari length will slightly go up. That's expected, that's why this is a no petticoat sari. So my knot is tied, I've tucked in my top, my knot inside the sari. Now, take the sari, your legs are spread wide and you're going to roll your sari, okay? But while you are rolling your sari around your body, the most important part is that there has to be layers that creates from down. So the first length is up to my ankle, the second length I'm creating slightly up, so the sari has a tiered level. If your legs are not spread, then you will just wrap yourself in this, and then next time when you walk, you'll walk like a doll. That's what happened with me the first time I draped it. So you're going to roll this, and I know the extra fabric that is up because the sari's length is such. The extra fabric, you're just going to keep on tucking it inside. So that knot is also not visible and it looks neat. My first roll. And I am done. The third one doesn't require any knot. Okay, can you see? Now you can either pleat your palla or just let it be casually. Pleating palla always makes it look chic when you're doing like different drapes. So I'm going to take a safety pin and pleat my palla. The palla is quite long. I could have done a third one, but I wanted to show you that even two is enough. I've created 2 layers and this is chic and smart. I'm going to share a couple of pictures of how I have draped this sari with another simple cotton one and how this looks. Let's pleat and then see. Now you know the cowl that happens here is your comfort level, how much you're comfortable with. I like the good cowl because it just forms a nice one around your back and your waist. So I'm going to let it fall and then pinning this sari. And we are done. So I'm going to show the whole sari how it looks without a petticoat. I love wearing this. It's like a skirt and a dupatta, and this is a regular top that I've been wearing. In this case, I have tucked in the top inside and not let it outside because I'm not belting it. If you're not comfortable with the cowl here, you just need to tuck it in. There is no hard and fast rule of where that back palla should be. You can just form a cowl here. If you're not comfortable with the cowl here also, you can make like a big pleat and tuck it in. I like the fall because that's how it looks good. It's important to wear a regular top or it's important to wear like a t-shirt which is not too fitted or a top or blouse on, because a regular blouse will have differentiation around the bust, and in this one we're not covering like the whole bust like a traditional sari like this. We're keeping it half. So I don't want that if you're not comfortable, if your bust is heavier, just in general not comfortable with bust show, then this will make sure that the t-shirt inside gives a very chic and casual look. I like wearing this sari when I don't have like a festive event, but I just have to go casually. These works great. So I'm going to show you how the whole styling and the whole sari looks. I hope the second drape was easy. Now for the third one, we need the belt and we need 2 safety pins again. Now in this one, you could wear your black petticoat or you can wear a palazzo or denims, whatever you're comfortable. A petticoat is better so that you don't have to remove everything when you're using the washroom. So this one's comfortable that way. Start by draping the regular one. We're doing fun with the palla. So I'm going to fast forward this whole thing and do a regular drape. So I have draped a regular sari, as you can see, the palla's there. Now generally in a Gujarati sari, you do the palla like this and you can leave it one-sided hanging. It's great for Diwali parties, festivities, but we are doing something different. So you're going to pull the palla down take 2 knots, take the 2 ends of your palla around your neck, and you're going to tie it. Okay, now all the loose parts that you see here, you can take it this side and just make a small pleat. Next to your main pleat. Now all these loose parts won't give a neatness to this drape, that's why take a belt from behind, totally covering everything. It's actually like you're wearing a maxi dress. I think you can wear this without a petticoat as well, just tie like the earlier drape and then wear it. Done. Take the palla, cover it properly, and a cowl is done. If you are heavy busted, then this drape is a little tricky because it will highlight the bust if you're not wearing the right print and pattern. If you're interested to learn about how to style your body shape, then I have a digital course called Style Your Body. It's a beginner's guide. A course participant told me it's like a cheat sheet to know what works for your body. I'm going to link my course below, and if you're interested to learn how to create focal points, how to create vertical lines, then I have my signature styling course, Frustrated to Fabulous. It's got 92 videos and it's digital. I can assure you it's a game changer, one of its kind for Indian women across the world. So this one is the third drape. I'm just going to add simple earrings to this and we are sorted with this drape. So that was it. I hope you liked this video. It was a very unique style of shooting. Do let me know if you found the whole movement very confusing or you're not able to concentrate. Then we'll do a voiceover from next time. But these were 3 actual styles that I draped with you, and if you watch this one by one and practice it with me, I can assure you these are 3 most easiest drapes that you can find. You have to excuse all the noise around in the house. As you know, the whole world kids are studying from home and my kids are as well. So lots of noises here and there. But this was it. If you have liked what you've seen so far, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. I absolutely love reading your comments here and on Instagram. I'm adding my Instagram as well. I share my day-to-day life and a little nuggets of my learnings there. Till I see you next time. Bye-bye.